Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syahrin bin Suhaimi. I'm from UiTM Pasir Gudang, Johor, and my ID number is 2019666668. And I will present to you the mock welding process. Okay, first, before we start, we need to know what is welding. Welding is a process that we combine two sheets of metal become one. And as we learn, we have some of welding process such as gas welding and electrode welding. But for this video, we will use the arc welding, where we will use the electrode. Okay, for the safety, first we must make sure that our environment is safe from the dangerous thing and the floor was in a dry condition. After that, we must have a glove, safety glove, and after that we must have a safety helmet, which will be used during the welding process. First, we must always use a welding glove during the welding process to protect our hand from heat and protect your skin from directly exposed to UV light during the welding process. For a safety helmet, for the real one, we must use the knob at the back to adjust the strap size. But for this helmet, if we want to have the size that suitable for our head, for us to get a comfort, we can adjust it from here. So we can just pull and push this, and we can clip in this the red button like this. So it will not wear off easily. Now I will show you how to wear a helmet as a shield. For the welding machine, when we at home we didn't have the real one, so I make a prop that we can use as a welding machine. This is the machine that I will use, like this. Okay. We need to make sure the welding machine is in a good condition and safe to use, and the cable connection and all the wires are perfectly connected. In a real welding process, we have a chipping hammer, but at home I didn't have a same one, but I will use this hammer to replace the chipping hammer. For a steel wire brush, I will replace the wire brush with the old toothbrush. The function of this toothbrush will use in cleaning the surface of the metal sheet. Welding sample, I will use these two cardboard with dimension 10 cm times 15 cm for replace the metal sheet for the welding process, and I will use the marker pen to replace the electrode. In the real life, we need to choose the correct welding electrode. So, we must choose the same electrode with the metal sheet, so the metal can be combined when the welding process is done. First, we need to clean the area that needed to be welded during the process using the steel brush, like this. We must clean the box of metal that we want to join, but just at the place that we want to weld in. Like this. After we done cleaning the surface of the material, we need to brush to remove the dust. Then we set the position of the material to be welded. Okay, we need to clean the surface from the dust. Okay, and we set the position for the welding process. After we done cleaning the surface of the material, we must attach this electrode to the welding clamp like this. we can set the angle of electrode according to our comfortness. If do not comfortable with this style, we can change the angle as we want. For me, I will use just like this. We need to attach another metal to the earth clamp, like this. Then we put this metal to the surface of the two of material that we want to weld. After that, we need to switch on the welding machine. We need to attach the electrode clamp to the machine and also the earth clamp, like this. As a safety, we need to wear a suitable glove and trousers. We need to wear safety shoes or safety boots in the lab. After that, we need to wear a glove for our safety to prevent any harmness or any injuries. And then, after we done with the glove, we need to wear the shield, head shield or helmet shield. And don't forget to check everything before you start the process of welding. We can ignite the electrode tip using a scratching method or a tapping method. When the electrode tip ignites, immediately start the welding process. Do a spot weld at the both ends of raw material. Move the electrode along the welding area and make a zigzag movement across the both parts. This is similar as sewing a fabric. The welding movement must be in slow rate motion. The electrode angle and movement must be toward to the unwelded streamline. Use chipping hammer to remove the slug and steel wire brush to clean the welding area. After we done with all the process, we need to tidy up and keep all the equipment after used. Switch off the welding machine.